Hello guys, this is DEFI here again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. So those of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video that comes out from me every day from my crypto space. So those of you who are liking my videos and commenting on them, I would like to thank you for that. Please don't stop on doing that. Yeah, so we are growing as a family. So now what I'm looking at here is DeFi staking platform. This is my staking launch, and this is day number 21. So I have a collection to make here, and I have some DSP in my balance. So before I jump in, I would like to tell you guys that everything I do online carries a risk, and I manage my risks very well. So I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just here to show you my journey in the crypto space. So you should always put in money that you can afford to lose. So you shouldn't go with other people's, shouldn't go with what you see other people, someone puts in 1 million TRX and you also borrow it and put it in. So just go in with what you can afford to lose. If all goes on well, it will pay you. If it goes bad, you'll lose that, and it will be a lesson for you. So I have a collection here to make in DeFi staking platform, and also the collection is here. It is a small collection, and also guys, there is a clone for DeFi staking platform. These guys have covered everything about DeFi staking platform. It is called GXY staking platform, and the only difference here is that they are giving out 97% of the previous day's TRX to be spent to the stakers. So that's the only difference, but everything these guys have copied it. And when I looked at their auction here, I saw people are putting in money. So it is at 2.19 million so far after a few hours of it going live. So for those of you who would like, there is a Telegram channel here at the bottom. Telegram, you just click on it, it will open the Telegram channel. You can be able to follow up on any update that's going on there. I'm leaving my link in the description of this video. You will be free to check it out. And also, if you missed out on DSP on day one and also T2X on day one, I would suggest you guys you jump in with GXY staking platform on day one and buy as much tokens as you can, because we know that the ROI is much in the first few days of these staking platforms. If we are to take a look at the staking platform, no, the auction lobby here, sorry, look at the first days. Now the first staking platform on day one, it managed to collect 4 million. Day 2, it collected 4 million. You look at day number 7, massive 17 million. So that was the peak, then it started going down. So I'm confident that DSP is not going down, but it's just going through this phase. We know this happened to T2X. It also came up, it also went down and started coming back again. So that's why I'm confident about DSP, but as well I'm going to go in with GXY stake. So that's it. Let me make the collection here. I have my staking launch. Let me do this collection. Accept my wallet. Remember guys, you always have to read this function. It says end stake. There are some platforms which change the function which confirms in your wallet. So you have to be very careful here. So you accept it, and it is done. So it should be appearing in my staking launch. If I'm to refresh this, it should have that figure increased from 535. So we have that. Now I'm going to stake it for how many days? Let me see. Okay guys, let me do it for 10 days. Let me do it for 15 days. It's 30 for 15 days. So it is done. Should appear here within a minute. So these are my active stakes. I'm not giving up on DSP. I'm going to continue going to the auction lobby in DSP, also do some collections and make some longer stakes because I know the strength of DSP. So that's it guys. You should check out GXY staking platform. The link is in the description. Also the link for DeFi staking platform is in the description of this video. You can check it out. You buy some tokens and you get a 5% discount on all the tokens that you've bought by the end of the day. So that's it guys. See you in the next video.